Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to on and off the flashlight or the torch at the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So you will find it here if you scroll down the shortcuts, and then you have here the icon for the flashlight or the torch, and if it's blue then it's on, if it's gray it is off, and that's it. Okay, one more thing, you have also the opportunity to change the brightness if you scroll it down completely, and then you go on the letters here below the icon, so the torch, and now you can change the brightness of the flashlight. As you can see, the brightness will change. Okay, if you are finished, go on done, and you have changed the brightness for the next time. And if you want to off it again, tap it and it's off. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. If you want, you can give me a thumbs up or maybe leave a nice comment. Thank you so much for. Maybe at next time. Ciao!